Hey guys, what's up? It's Soundkiller, and today I got something really cool for you guys. So strap onto your seats and we're gonna be making some really cool hybrid trap. I'm gonna show you some of the most amazing hybrid trap presets out there. So without talking much longer, let's go into our DAW and get started with this video. So here I am, and I got opened up Octane Trap for Vital. I got the launch edition, which comes with some really cool bonuses that I'm gonna show you guys and talk about more later. But I want to give you guys a quick preview on the presets, and I'm gonna create a fun little drop using these presets. So this is gonna be a very fun video. So Octane Trap for Vital comes with all of these amazing presets, as you can see here in the screen. You can get them at Black Lotus Audio's website, blacklotusaudio.com. Links as always under the description. And if you use code Soundkiller20, you'll get a 20% discount on the pack. So let's start checking out these songs and see what we can crank out. And so as you can see, every single preset comes with 4 macros that you can play and really change the tone of the sound by playing around with these macros. It's really fun. You can really change and tune up the sounds and make high quality music using these Vital presets. As I mentioned, the launch edition comes with some bonuses, some which are presets, which sound like this. And of course, not only do you get these really awesome basses that you just listen to, we also get some really mellow key sounds. Which are mapped to velocity, so I can play very subtle or very hard and it reflects. And it gives in a really beautiful contrast to those aggressive basses. And of course, you can't have a trap pack without some really cool brass cornets. So the brass are really emulating real brass, so you'll need to use samples. You can use these presets right off Vital and sound perfect. And these brass especially were meant to work together, so you can layer different brass presets on top of each other, add some processing like OTT, EQing, and you can have a really thick brass chord with them. And of course, you got the very experimental, very analog sounding sounds. As you guys know, funk is really trendy, so you can't have a trap pack without a funk preset. So you can make those really funky bangers. Maybe you can try and experiment and create some hybrid funk. And if there's too much delay, there's too much reverb, you can just turn it down. And you get less reverb, less delay, so that you can add it later in post-processing. Or you can go into the patch here and you can play around with the preset. That's what it's for. You got the preset, you can change around different things. You can play around with the filters. You can see what things are linked where. And you can really play around and get a feeling on what the preset is doing. More bonuses, as I mentioned, it's for the launch edition, so you get some extra presets that are not available in the regular pack unless you get the launch edition for Octane, which is available in blacklotusaudio.com. As I mentioned, links are in the description. Soundkiller 20 for 20% off. Something very characteristic about trap is that analog presence. So there's a lot of analog styled leads that sort of emulate old vintage hardware, which is very particular and very common in trap music. And just because it says it's a lead, you don't necessarily have to use it as a lead. You can use it as a keys because you can have polyphony. If there's any doubt on what things do, you have here the description, which tells you what each macro does, as well as a nice little biography of each preset, so you get to know the characteristic and the vibe of each preset. And of course, what's a good trap pack without some 808? We also got some really unique drum sounds. And there you have it, some really awesome presets. I want to show you some more bonuses that we got here. Also get some really good quality trap drums, including some more 808s. Some snares. Some hats. And some kicks. And as I promised, I'm gonna make a quick little drop using the samples and presets.
Welcome to the show.
So there you have it. It's really easy to create some really cool hybrid trap using the Octane for Vital trap pack. So if you guys want to get your hands on Octane for Vital, you can go in the description, use Soundkiller 20 in blacklotusaudio.com to get 20% off, and you can get the Octane trap for Vital. And if you get it during the launch edition period, you'll get all these amazing samples and extra bonuses that are only available in the launch edition. So go running into blacklotusaudio.com. Anyways, thank you Black Lotus Audio for sending the content to make this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, like and subscribe to keep the channel alive and active. This was Soundkiller, and I'll see you in the next one.